beginners nito araw din na lang, no?
Good day, sir. I'm Jose Marie P. Marquez. Yeah. P is ID3L. What is template inheritance template and how can it be used in the real world application? Template inheritance allows you to create a master layout for your entire website or application. This layout usually contains the common parts like the header, footer, and navigation bar. Instead of rewriting this section in every page, child views can simply extend the master layout and focus only on their unique content. Parang lang. Saan na yun? Parang dito. Tanggal ko na pala yung ano. Ush! Yan. Ganyan. Header. Template. Parang ganyan siya, sir. What's next? How can blade section and yields be utilized to manage content? Different views in blade yield acts as a placeholder inside the master layout, while section provides content that will fill the placeholder. This makes it easy to control what change. Ito, sir, yung without touching dito, sir, para kapag where is that? Para kapag niran natin to, sir, kahit hindi mo na siya galawin dito, ito, kasi dito na yun, sir, sa loob ng section tas end section. Yes na. Ito na. How do blade control structures mix record more with readable compared to raw PHP? Blades provide simple, clean syntax for control structures like if, else, for each, and for this makes the code much easier to read and maintain compared to writing raw PHP tags everywhere. Saan ba pwedeng ano? Ito, sir. Ito, sir, parang nakaiwalay siya. If hanggang dito, if, else, parang hindi siya magulo tingnan, sir. Tapos ito, if and end f. Ano ba dito? Nalawoy. How do blade control the structure make your record more? What is the purpose of the syntax in blade and why is it important for security? Will safely and automatically escape system, which means if someone tries to insert harmful code in, will be displayed as explain text running. This helps prevent security risks like XSS cross-site scripting. Sir, ang ibig sabihin nito, kumbaga to sir, kahit guluhin yan sa loob dito sir, ipugi, ng HTML, hindi siya makaka-apekto doon sa mismong output niya. Kahit dagdagan ng code dito sir, hindi siya maka-apektuhan. Parang gano'n lang sir. How can Blade's components in slot be used to create reusable UI elements? Components in Blade allow you to create reusable UI elements like button cards, alerts, or models instead of rewriting the same code over and over. You build the component once and then reuse it wherever needed. Slots let you insert custom content into those components. Meron ako yan. Ito dito sir. Uy. Ito sir. Buttons. Sir. Kahit ulit-ulitin yan. Ito na yung master blade. Nakalagan ni boy yung laptop ko.
Ito yun, balik ko na yun. Hindi na kaya daw. Ito naman.
Lead component sir, ito yung parang nag-maintain ng mga buttons papunta sa mga controller sir. Kumbaga dito ba yun? Ito sir sa main. Ay tama sir, tapos ito sa master pumunta sa code yung dito. Ito sir, yan lang.